winds you get, they don't stay blowing sand, do they? Like, it's trying to rain. You can't see it. As the water being vaporized with the speed of this wind. You just feel the moisture hitting you. Luna is seeking shelter. Look at this, boys. You go over the rocks to seek shelter. Still ball mad yet. Oh. So sleep well tonight, anyway. You can see the way some of the rain's hitting this rock here. You know when you get flies and hitting this sort of stuff, it's drying up, look, it's drying up. We see the next wee batch comes. Very quick drying up. She is choking on sand, like, so suddenly realised she can't catch balls. So the rain is coming and skating across like a dead fly in your windshield. Coming at an angle, like. Blasted. And I don't know what to be raindrops. It's not mixed with sand. You know, we call it very gorillas wouldn't be walking here today, so we wouldn't. They had things to get blew up. What do they call it? What's playing ball now? You're choking. Oh, let's go. Let's go in the pocket. I'm getting stuck. The rain is coming straight on. The noise of the wind. You can handle it in one thing. If you got rain, that's alright. And if you got wind, that's alright. When you got wind, rain and blowing sand, too much, Luna, too much. I can feel the grit of the sand in my teeth. When I move my mouth together, I can feel the grit of the sand in my mouth. God knows what's going to come out of Luna's bum tomorrow. It's going to be like sandpaper. So you're going to get a sandpaper out tomorrow. Well, sand getting mixed up with a pedigree, chum. Ones in the forecast. That's a 60 mile an hour here, I'll tell you. Stick your head out of the sunroof of a car, that's what you get. But at least in a car you don't get blasted with sand. This is July, like July. That's supposed to be summer. They don't show you this in the brochures, do they? They always show horses running down the beach. They don't see you getting the sand blasted. Not much sand here now. Just normal Donegal wet and wind. Hey, pet. You want your wee ball back now? I'm proper soaked now. Away in the distance is Rossnowlagh, or the lifeguards place where we come on the beach. We'll turn off here, get the water for the lens here now. There's anything dry to wipe the lens off. See a few motorhomes here. I've been all a wee, you know, people like to be tight spots. A wee sign, that's how stormy it is. The signs are breaking down here, the signs are breaking. It's not wind. So a few motorhomes hiding up here. Oh, the relief of the wind pressure already. Oh, that boy. So dry behind, soaked in front. There's another entrance for cars to go on the beach. Later. Hold on, Pet. See you boy in the black van or electric setup. See all these, I reckon that the half this way campers all to do about people playing around with batteries. That's further up than I thought. Later! Hold on! Oh, that's making be a good idea, though. Later, hold on, Pet! Hold on! So there's the new houses there now. There's a footpath of them houses. We'll walk back to these houses. That wind on the beach is fierce along with the rain. Touring and camping. Up that wee lane there, boys. Maybe some campsites put on nice fancy gates and all so they stand out. You don't notice that much, would you? Private land. Ah, it's proper rain now. Proper rain. That ain't showers there. Well, the forecast says showers in the morning. That is proper rain there. Look how thick it is in the distance. I'm really soaked now. Like, at least the beach I was getting on the front and then getting the side on. I'm really soaked all over. Lena! I'll get the lead on. I'll get the wee lead on here, Pet. Going to be pure soaked now, Lena. By the time we get back to the car, you won't need a shower. You'll be well washed. We should have stayed in the beach now. The crowds are arriving now, look at extra gouter now, brother. Extra gouter. Crowds are thronging the place. A lot of boys wanting to make a bit of money today. Water in my camera, can't keep it off. Gonna go all moisture. Oh, wee pussycat, well you're in the lead, isn't it? He says, well you're in the lead. That's how I worry about her getting knocked down. See a wee cat like that run across the road. Oh, they're coming in now, boys. Look at them all coming in. Bloody old cars too, man. They're all 9 cars. Bloody God, the cars are coming in. Got my camps, 4 days, £47. Why pound, not euros. Hey, that's better value there, but £47 to get rid of your weighing for 4 days. And now they're charging £45 for a camper van for 1 night. Getting rid of the weighing is cheaper than camping. So as all the parade goers are arriving, the locals who don't like watching bands are all leaving. Two-way traffic here. Yeah. We'll go elsewhere today till that racket's over. All the holiday homes are lying empty, no parked cars. Alright, that they're not sold. We'll go with the footpath, Lena. We'll go with the footpath. They built it, we may as well use it. The rain has moved over to the side now. A wee bit of clearness here. Through the soap. That's alright, but you see how quick they dry. That one there, it's dry pretty quick. See if a wee bit of sun came out now in that one. Oh, they'll be drying 5-10 minutes. The jumper might take a bit longer. Well, that's the fleece leg, but we're going to cross over now, Lena, before we get run down. They're coming in the droves. Some money spent today, Pet. They're all coming with a wee bits of savings, man. A lot of houses here now. I'm in all holiday homes. I don't know if anybody wants to live here full time. Maybe retired people. But see, even retired people have to go to the doctors and stuff. If you want to live here, have to commute. my house do work with, chatting 20 years ago, like. Now, I'm not saying they weren't happily married and all the rest, like. But they let a mobile home down here, and he would never work weekends. Overtime the weekends, he would never work it. So the way he looked at it, he paid for site fees here for a year. And if he works overtime, he's losing the benefit of the use of the caravan. He wouldn't do no overtime. But that's understandable, aye. But the weird thing about it, his wife used to come down here to Monday to Friday, stay in the caravan Monday to Friday, and then she'd come up at the weekend, and he would go down at the weekend and stay Saturday and Sunday. They must have just met passing by, like. I don't think they ever stayed in the caravan together. Oh, that's queue now, look at the queues. We were lucky getting in earlier, weren't we, Lena? We got a good parking spot in Carrickfergus. Same down here too. Unbeatable spot down here. I hate sitting in traffic jams. That would annoy me sitting there to queue up now. There's not many out in the balconies today. Even Stormy up there. I'll see the buzz now going round this field now. Oh, the big buzz taking part now. Stalls are set up now. Brand new traffic cones out there. Wee sign, what's the wee sign say? Oh, no parking. Well, I'll tell you what I noticed. See all these A4 pages and no parking. Now, I'm not racist, I know how to ask all the rest. But it's all in English. It's only for people who speak English they don't want to park, and if you speak Gaelic, you can. Well, those boys are taking the money in now, boys. They're taking the money in. Hey, I ought to keep that wee lodge going now for the next 12 months. Get a new roof on it or something. Well, the farmer, he'll get a wee handout too. He earns more than that day, does the EC grants. Look, I needed the orange hall. See, they're always falling down these orange halls, aren't they? Well, so far I don't see a queue at the toilets. There's no queue at the slush puppy. There's no queue at the Christian bus. The queues haven't formed yet. People are just getting out of the cars. They have to acclimatise to the weather. Saying that, you know, I don't know where the band start off. Do they start off somewhere else and end up in the field? Where's all the buses? Oh, the Methodist wee things open. Look at that, boys. It looks nice inside. Wallpaper and everything. Look at that, boys. That looks a nice wee place inside there. I reckon your man keeps that in the bottom of his garden and uses it all year round. Reading his book and all. Crowds are farmed up, the crowds. I don't know, I don't normally go to parades like, but I've never known this to happen here. People put the chairs down. I've never known that to happen there. So the ones in the motorhomes come out, put down the wee chairs and go back to the motorhomes. Look at the chairs back there, boys, the balcony. I've never seen the like of this before. See, I've never used them chairs. I haven't been socialising much as last, long as I have shadowing, long time. That was all new to me here. Now they've got a wee roof and all on them, boys. They're going to bring it out later. I'm going to stand on top of that ditch there. See, I'm still young enough to stand on a ditch. get the bands marching along. I presume they're walking towards us, and all the crowd. You see the enthusiasm in the crowd's faces. That'd make a good video. And saying that, most of the people here is pretty old, you know. Not many young people. Tell you what, plenty of seating anyway. People are starting to eat. We need to get our chips and all on us, Anna. We haven't been through this, these stores. There's fudge available. I'm never a fan of fudge. Northern Ireland potato there, boys. Northern Ireland potato. I would say some local Donegal ones, you know, might sneak a couple of bags of Northern Ireland potato. They can't normally get them down this way, you know. They probably look forward to that store called the Northern Ireland potato so they can taste proper crisp. I had to go after Northern Ireland potato. Boyd owns it now, he's to do with fox hunting and the horses. So I've boycotted potato now altogether. I ate them all my life, like, now I can't eat potato no more. That's a long way meat and all the rest. It's one of them prohibited items I no longer take. Sent a wee letter to potato saying I can't eat the crisp no more because you're mad. Didn't reply back. Didn't deny it. Yeah, so we'll just park round this corner. I think it's on to eat now, isn't it? I wonder, there's no deck chairs down this way, so they must have come round this way. Probably the hotel put after a staff, you see. If you're in the hotel now, you can still leave by turning to the right. That road's not closed off. Same with the campers. 4-star, reservations only. You know, having that wee mat in the car, I might bring the wee mat, I'm going to sit on a wee hill in it. Carry the wee mat, keep my bum dry. Nobody else is going to be sitting. I'll probably odd one out and stand up. You have to blend in. We're at the wee car park now, there's portaloos and all in front. All the facilities down there. Well, that boy's going to get that guy to car park, he must be rated there, man. See that? Kept the wee space for him. So what all the police force would do that for you?
It's a tiny move. You see, in years and years,
It's going to be 5 cars off that space there. They should have come right along Rossnowlagh. When you came here, the car park was empty. I was going to park in the end to begin with, and I thought there was a bit of a rock there. And then I thought, well, if I park in the middle, there's no bother reversing straight out. Nobody's going to block you in, and there's no big rocks to my right. See, I have to plan all this here, you know. All these other ones are just desperate to get any space. I picked my space out. So the high rocks there to the left, but I'm not looking to the left. My seat's looking out to the right. Look at the view I've got here now, look. I've got a good view. Tower facilities. It's all here in Buncrana, or Rossnowlagh. Rossnowlagh. That building up front used to be the toilets. They just give up on them. They pay these. Well, I'm putting you in here, wee my dad, go to the toilet first, pet. Up we go. Oh, up we go, Lena. Right on now, down, hook you. I want to get you unhooked. I'm going to go to the toilet here now, and then I get the chips on. You know what? No, I was going to get the chips on first and not bother. One mistake I make when making chips The chips cook quicker and better if they're not frozen. I should have took them out of the ice box, the cool box beforehand. If they were thawed, they'd take less power, but they actually cook better. It's only a 1000 watt air fryer. I'm going to go try to hold you on there, pet. There's a bit of rain coming on again. Got her wee harness off now. I'm not going to bother drying her. It's warm enough, she'll be right there. I'll get the chips on now. Put on the inverter. Just takes a wee second. That's her going. Chip pan ready to go. Get the chips in, 500 grams. I'm supposed to do beans as well, but I only do beans once a day. See, automatically sets at 180. I always put it at 200. I'll leave it at 180, see what happens. 15 degrees or 15 minutes. Push start. I'll get my laptop out now. I was going to make a wee video last week. A wee out video. It's a wee complicated one because I'm using video from 3 different times. Put them together, make a wee out video. So I'll do that on my laptop now. She's lying down there and I'll lie down. I'll put my feet up and these are cooking. These take 25 minutes. And then after 25 minutes, I'll let them stay in there 10 minutes. Once the heat's off. Handy to start. See how they daily got started at the chip van. If that car moved forward a wee bit there, see they reversed in. If they had went in forward, so the front windows, I would have a better view. Some people don't think, why would you want to reverse into a sea location? I always reverse into places, but not when you're at the seaside. You drive in then. I finished off a wee video on my laptop. My chips have been lying cooked for maybe 15-20 minutes. So I get them in a wee bag now. And I got Luna's wee pot. Luna's fed up waiting. There's your wee dun-duns now, Pep. The sun's coming out. High tide is up now. The whole crowd looking at high tide. It's the event of the day. Till the band starts down at high tide. So I'll get my chips down here now and get the chips up. Chips are still warm, just the way I like them. Luna's quite happy too. What do you view?